Hello students, welcome to my channel Grow in Maths. Here we have one numerical of statistics from class 10. The question is, if summation I equal to 1 to n xi minus 3 equals to 0 and summation I equal to 1 to n xi plus 3 equal to 66, then find the value of x bar and n. So first of all we have to write the given equation. Given summation I equal to 1 to n xi minus 3 equal to 0. Now we have to expand this summation by putting I equal to 1 to 3 dot n. Okay, so we have to write x1 minus 3 plus x2 minus 3 plus x3 minus 3 plus dot plus xn minus 3 equals to 0. So here we have n brackets in the left hand side. So we can write it by simplifying x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus dot plus xn, and as we have n brackets, so we have n times minus 3 means minus 3n equals to 0. So this is our first equation. If possible, then write this equation with me, then it will make your concept clear. Now we have to take our second equation, that is summation I equal to 1 to n xi plus 3 equal to 66, and as previous one we have to expand this also, but here we have xi plus 3 means from here we have x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus dot plus xn plus n times plus 3, so plus 3n equals to 66. Now we have equation 2. Now if we add these equations, then we have adding 1 and 2 we get. Actually if we add these two equations, then we have 2 times of x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus dot plus xn equal to 0 plus 66 means 66, means the value of the sum, that is x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus dot plus xn equal to 66 by 2 equals to 33. Now we have to use this value. Therefore from equation 1 we get, or we have x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus dot plus xn minus 3n equals to 0. This is our equation 1, and we have to put the value of the sum. So in next we have to write 33 minus 3n equals to 0, means 3n equals to 33, which gives n equal to 33 by 3 means 11. So this is our first answer, that is we got our value for n. Okay, now we have to use this n to get x bar. So we have to write again x bar means x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus dot plus xn by n. This is the definition of x bar. X bar means the mean of the xi, that is x1 x2 x3 dot xn. Okay, so we have to add them and we have to divide the sum by n. Now the numerator has the value 33 and n is 11, so we have to write 33 by 11, that is 3. So we got the value for x bar as 3, and this is our second answer. Okay, so we got the value for n and we got the value for x bar. So hence we have the end of the problem. Thank you students.